Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show a simple solution that fixes problem for me for FiveM. Fix the problem for black screen. This is what I've tried myself and it worked. So what you have to do is very important and very simple at the same time. So head over to graphic settings, and here make sure you add FiveM in this list. From here, if you can't find it here in this list, click on browse, go exactly to the folder where you saved FiveM, add this in this list, click on FiveM, click on options, select high performance, click on save, click on change default graphic settings, and make sure you have both of this enabled. This is what fixed the problem for me. I hope it's gonna work for you. I hope now you can enjoy the game, and thank you for watching. And I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.